Yes, I'm live now. Hey, what's up? This is George Shamon. In this video, I'm gonna go over WordPress. What is it? Who should use it? And why use it? And I wanna talk about my upcoming course topics. What I'm gonna be covering. I have a course coming up. It's a short one, just for WordPress dashboard. It's coming up. It will be available November the 16th. So if you're interested to join, it's only $10, and it will be available in about 2 weeks, November 16th. Once it's done, the price will go up. So take advantage of this pre-launch now and join for $10 only. It will be about 2 to 3 hours, one video, you know. So yeah, so what's WordPress? WordPress is a content management system. It's a platform that you can use to build a blog and a website. So it was established in the beginning, long time ago, for blogging only, but now you can use it for a website, like static pages for to add blogs, blog posts, and it's got so many plugins for enhancing the capability of it. And there are so many WordPress web page builder, and it's got a big community. It's used worldwide, and it powers over, from what I've seen statistics, like if you go to 3W Tech, the it covers about over 30% of the websites on the internet. So this is how prevalent it is and how much, yeah. So, yeah, guys, if you're joining on this live stream, submit your question about WordPress. We're talking about WordPress, how to use it, what is it, and who should use it. So, I want to thank you so much for joining on this live stream, and let me know if you have any question. We're talking about WordPress and what is it, who use it, who should use it, and how to use it maybe. And we can ask more. You can ask more questions, and this is a two-way conversation. And make sure, guys, you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I need to grow it and I want to help you, and I'll keep making those live videos to help you and answer questions. So if you want to make a website and you're new, even if you're not new, you can use WordPress. It's a platform, it's a content management system, but you need a web hosting, a self-hosted web hosting service. So you cannot use like Shopify or Word or Squarespace, Wix. Those guys have their own platforms. If you want to use WordPress, you have to get your independent web hosting account. They call them self-hosted account, the shared account. Like one of them is Hostinger, the one I use, and there are a lot of them. Just type on the internet web hosting or shared web hosting or self-hosted websites. You get those, you know. So yeah. So basically, once you access most self-hosted web hosting nowadays, they have one-click install of WordPress. Once you access the control panel or the H panel, there's a click. You click a button, a key button in the dashboard or the control panel, and you get your WordPress installed. And you can use free themes. You can use premium themes, like you can pay for them. So there are so many options, and it's good for even though there's a learning curve, you have to learn the dashboard, but it's good for beginners. If you're new and you don't want to code, you don't know how to code, you don't want to start from scratch, you can find templates, HTML, CSS, JavaScript templates. Like if you go to Theme Forest, Envato Element, if you go to Template Monster, those guys have a lot of templates for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but those are difficult if you're new and you never built a website before and you're not familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the coding language of a web page. This is why WordPress is good, because it's low code. Like if you are a web developer, web designer, the coding languages of a website, you can use it on WordPress or any other website. But if you're new, you can be looking for website builders where you don't need to use codes, and this is one of them, WordPress. So once you install it and you learn the dashboard, and this is the course I'm going to be making soon, how to use the dashboard in, first how to install it, it's very easy, one click, and how to use the dashboard in WordPress. So this course is coming up, it will be available November 16th. So visit my website and go to the online courses and join. It's only $10 now. It will be about 2 to 3 hours, one video, you can follow it to learn the dashboard of WordPress. And after launching, it's gonna go up. It won't stay $10, 10 US dollars. So take advantage of it now, and it will be available for you November 16th. So if you have any question about WordPress, let me know and I can answer you. Even if you are a user of WordPress, you might have a question, because it took me a long time. I stayed it shouldn't take long, but I used it for 2 years, and I kept, finding out options in it. But to make a website quickly, it's not that difficult. Once you install the themes, you change the pictures, the photos, the videos, the links, the text, and it will not be that difficult. So if you have any question, let me know about we're talking about WordPress. What is it? Who should use it, and how to use it? What do you need to use it? And also, if you use WordPress and you install it on the, like I said, self-hosted web, it's gonna be a cheap option versus Shopify, Squarespace, Weebly, and Wix. Those guys have their own platform, and they are great. But in the beginning, you may not be able to afford them if you don't have a running business and make money, So this is why WordPress is cheaper. You can learn how to make your own website or blog or both, and using low-cost resources. So let me know if you have any question. Also, make sure, guys, you subscribe to the channel. I want to grow it, and I need your help in in increasing the subscribers. And I'll be making more videos in return. The more I have subscribers, the more videos I make. So make sure you subscribe and ask questions about WordPress if you're interested to know how to build a website. What do you need? What resources? I can help you now. I can answer you now. So I'm live, and I can help you right away, So anyone have a question? So WordPress, basically it's a platform. It's a platform where you install it on the top of your web hosting, on the top of your. So let's say you have a web server running, and you can have some elements installed. It's called I think they call it the LAMP stack. You have to have Linux, Apache, PHP, and SQL. Those three you have to have them installed, and they come in a package, but it's already installed by your web hosting company. You don't have to worry about it. And those allow you to add WordPress, to install WordPress. So basically, WordPress is running on the top of your web hosting. It's a platform. It's like a content management system, website builder. You can use it to make blogs, to make web pages, and you can add content all the time. Anybody can train and can learn how to use the dashboard. Let's say somebody will set up a website for you, a WordPress. They can train you in 2 hours or 3 hours how to use the dashboard. And if you like to add your content, like more blogs, change pictures, you can do it yourself. You don't even have to be a web designer or a web developer. It's easy, but you have to train to learn the dashboard, how to use the dashboard in WordPress. So this is why I have this course coming up soon. It will be coming in, it will be available in on November 16th, 2024, in 2 weeks. And it's gonna be 2 or 3 hours video course about using the dashboard of WordPress. I show you how to install it and how to use it. And once I get you started, you'll get it on you can do it on your own. You can build your own website, and I will show you how to on my web hosting service. I have Hostinger now, and I have a website using the website builder, and I can show you how to use it because I have access to the H panel, and I can add websites, so I can install a WordPress and show you how to install it. This is what the course will be about. So if you're interested, go to my website. I'm not sure. I think I forgot to put the URL. So basically, it's a georgekcwebservices.com. Let me add it right now. So my website. Let me add it. So you can go and go to the course, online course, and go down to the where it says WordPress. So let me add it now. So okay. So. I don't know how to add it. Let me see. I think I have to go to my desktop. Yeah, so go to georgekcwebservices.com. I think it's on my YouTube channel. If you look at the, let me see. Okay, I can add it right now. Okay, visit my website and go to the online courses page. Okay, so I will just put the URL. So it's a George KC Web Services.com. georgekcwebservices.com. Okay, so I added my my website. So if you click on it, let me see, page georgekcwebservices.com. Let me just yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. You may have to type it. I'm not sure why I'm not able to type it. So yeah. So this is the website, georgekcwebservices.com, and then you go to the tab in the navigation bar. It says online courses. You click on the online courses, and then it will you go down to where it says WordPress. This is the course which is coming up. It says coming up November 16, and you can pay for it $10 now. It's very cheap. I'm gonna raise the price after I launch it, but now, because if it's not launched yet, take advantage of the pre-launch price for $10 only. It's very cheap. So, and now you can ask me questions about WordPress in case you want to build a website, or even if you already have a website with WordPress and you have a question about the dashboard, let me know. So yeah, welcome guys, welcome to the video, welcome to this live presentation. My name is George Shamon, and I'm coming to you live from the US state of South Dakota. If you're tuning in on this live stream, I want to thank you so much. And if you will be on a future replay also, I want to thank you. You can still add your comments, and I can answer you in the future, when you add comments. And yeah, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of topics about what I make on my YouTube channel. I talk about making websites, and now we're talking about WordPress. It's one of the platforms that you can create a website. I talk about coding like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I started working with JavaScript and Python. I started working with Python a little bit, and and I make videos about making SVG files using Inkscape, and I have more coming up, more software I use. It depends on your question on your request. It depends what you asking for, what you need to know. But this is, if you look on my YouTube channel, you can tell what kind of topic I cover, and I'm willing to cover more with time. It depends on your request. I also cover how to use Linux commands. Using Linux is an important skills to know. I mean, you don't have to, but since most servers on the internet are running Linux operating system, and you can use it at home, and it's for free. You can use it on your desktop and server, and it's good to know the commands, because the power of Linux lies in a command line. It has a graphical user interface, but it's got a GUI. And also, I have a course about using Linux command. It's the same website, georgekcwebservice.com. And once you go to online courses, the top one, it says it's Linux, about using Linux. So in case you're interested in learning Linux, I have a course about that too. But I have a lot of free content on my website, videos about, like I said, Linux, making websites, HTML, CSS. I have a lot of videos here, so you can learn a lot for free. You don't even have to buy anything, But if you're interested in a well-structured courses, join my platform, So I have Linux commands for beginners, and I have WordPress coming up. So if you're interested in learning WordPress, join the course, and it's only $10 now, and it will be available November 16th, So welcome, TJ. Thank you for joining. No, thank you. Welcome. Thanks for joining, Habibi. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm very interested to know what's my reach. Are you in the US or overseas? Where are you tuning in from? What about Excel? I think you asked a long time ago about Excel. I can make Excel spreadsheet, but you know what? I don't have Microsoft product on my machine. I run Linux, but there are similar spreadsheet programs like LibreOffice. Oh, Riyadh. Okay, welcome. You're in Saudi Arabia. Welcome. Yeah. So TJ, I can make videos about a spreadsheet because I run Linux. I don't have Microsoft Excel. And once you look at the spreadsheet, they're very similar, I need it for work. Oh, I see. Okay, you need Excel. Okay. Well, I will consider it. What I can do, I can join the service to get Excel myself, and I can make more videos. That's a good topic, Excel. Everybody uses Excel at work, including myself. So say some formulas. Yes, I need to. Yeah. I'll make some soon, hopefully. Yeah, I'll keep it on my mind. I'm gonna write it down now. Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet tutorials. Yeah, that's a great idea because I use it myself, and yeah, you need the formulas. Okay, some formulas. Yes, sure. Yeah. Excel is a great software. A lot of people use it. Yes, exactly. Everybody needs Excel. Yeah, even in this day and age, with the advancement and with the the technology and the advancement in software and everything, everybody still needs Excel. Yes, to use Excel. Yeah, true. For stats and data analysis. Yes, that's true. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? Thank you for joining this live stream, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I want to grow it and I need your help. And every single one of you means a lot to me. And you'll be helping me, because the more subscribers I have, I'll be more encouraged and motivated to make more videos like these and tutorials and help you. So and share your topics, what you're interested to know about, what kind of software or SaaS, I can see if I know how to do it or not, and I can learn it. Obviously, I cannot make tutorials about many softwares and SaaS, but I'll try my best, you know. So, but if you share the topics, then I'll have a good idea about what to think about, you know. What do you come from, NRTV? I'm coming to you live from the US now in South Dakota, one of the Midwest states, but I am originally from Lebanon. I speak Arabic, so I don't know if you speak Arabic or where you're from, you know. So, what about you? Where are you guys from? Where are you tuning in from? Let me know. Oh, okay. I am in Indonesia. Okay, welcome. Yeah, thanks for joining. It's what time is it? Is it night or day now? I guess it's morning now. It's DJ. Yeah, Habibi. Hopefully you can do Excel tutorial for the workplace. It's all about what's relevant nowadays. It's تصبح على خير حبيبي. Bedtime here. Okay, yeah, have a good night. Thanks for joining and thanks for the information and sharing your topic, TJ. I'll be making one hopefully soon, you know, and I will announce it on a channel here. Thank you. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, thank you. Welcome. Assalamu alaikum, NRTV. Welcome to the live stream. Salawat. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, do you have any questions, NRTV? I'm not sure if I've seen you on a channel here. I don't know, but you're familiar. So, okay. So, guys, who else have a question? Anybody have a question? I'll stay tuned. Okay. Oh, okay, TJ. Yeah, yeah, welcome. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. Who else? Anybody have a question? Questions about WordPress, making a website, or web hosting, domain names, you know, or the control panel of a web host. Langgalo, Indonesia. I'm not sure what Langgalo, does it mean language? No, I only speak English and Arabic, you know. English and Arabic I speak, so tried to hack me before. Oh, somebody, TJ, stay clear of him. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, who else? Anybody else? Anyone have a question about making a WordPress website, using WordPress, using web hosting, using we're not talking now about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but still you can, even if you use WordPress, you can still inject code like HTML, CSS in it. You know, you can still use codes, you know. So yeah. Anyone else? Anyone have a question? No, I cannot sing. No. Yeah, again, if you guys have a website you want me to look at, I can look at it too, you know. And if you have a question about web hosting, domain name, using a WordPress dashboard, you know, I can help you with that, you know. All right. Anyone have a question about using WordPress? Anyone have interest in learning Linux commands? I have a course on Linux commands, but it looks like not everybody is interested in Linux. All right. Okay. Okay, it looks like nobody have any questions. You know, I can hang out for a couple minutes in case somebody tuned in and they have a question. I can wait a couple minutes, and then before I wrap up the session, because it looks like there's not more questions coming in to answer them, you know. So do you know Indonesia? Which cities do you know from Indonesia? No, I don't know any cities. I just know uh, approximately where Indonesia is. It's, I think, Southeast Asia, right? It's in Southeast Asia, I think it is, Indonesia. And it's an island, right? It's an island. Okay. All right. So I guess we don't have any questions coming in about WordPress and making a website. Uh, Jakarta is famous, yes. Okay, so guys, if you don't have any questions about WordPress, I will wrap up this video, and I can make another one in the future. Hopefully, in the next couple days, I'll make more videos. So okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining, and see you in the next videos. That's it for this one. There's no more questions coming in about WordPress or making a website. So hopefully I'll choose another topic and make another video in the next couple days, you know. So with that said, I want to thank you so much for tuning in, whether you're on this live stream or in the future. So yeah, become Pneuma. Welcome. I taught myself Adobe Dreamweaver, Sirsa 2000. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you know, it's kind of old. You know, Dreamweaver is very old, but it's a good software. I mean, if you can still use it and you have, you know, updated Adobe Dreamweaver, yeah, that's a good software. But it's old. I think it's long time ago. I used it in school one time, but if it does the job, use it. Why not? You know. Yeah. Yeah. Who else? Yeah, you reminded me of Dreamweaver. Yeah, that's you know. I guess. Who else? Questions? Anybody have a questions? Questions, comments. If you have any topics to share, let me know. Very difficult learning curve. Yeah, I can't remember how difficult it is, but yeah, it's not that easy. I mean, do you still use it? Do you still use Dreamweaver now? I mean, there are more. There are easier platforms, like WordPress is easy. I mean, WordPress is not that easy, but you know what I'm saying. Once you set it up, you install it. No, only WordPress. No. Oh, okay. So you use WordPress now instead of Dreamweaver. Okay, good. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I'm no, no, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking of making. I mean, actually, I decided I want to make a course about using the dashboard in WordPress, like how to install it and how to use the dashboard. If somebody who's not familiar with WordPress, it can help them, you know. And I have the course. It will be on available on November 16th. And right now, before it's launched, I'm only selling it for $10 if somebody is interested. Because after I launch it, I'm gonna raise the price. But now you can take advantage of the low pre-launch price. It's only $10. So, and if you visit my website, georgekcwebservices.com, it's on my YouTube channel, and you visit the online course page, and then you go to WordPress, you click there, you know, you access it. I mean, you pay for it and you get access to it November the 16th. Anyone else have a question? Guys, make sure, become Pneuma, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I need your help in, you know, increasing my subscriber base, because I need to grow the channel, and I'll make more videos to help people, you know. So make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Yeah, anyone else? Okay, thank you for subbing. Thanks for subbing. Become Noma. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. I do appreciate your sharing ideas about the platforms, and thank you for subscribing. Who else? Anybody have a question? Okay, sure. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Become Noma, and see you later in the next video. Thank you. Anyone else have a question about using WordPress, how to make a website using WordPress, and what do you need? And also, I have an upcoming course on November 16th. So, okay. So, guys, if there is no more questions coming in, I want to wrap up the session, and I will make more videos later on, like tomorrow or the day after. Just add your comments and your questions. Keep them coming in, and I can answer you later. And also, you'll be helping me to understand what to add to the course. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Have a great day or great evening or afternoon. It depends where you are. Thank you.